Hello, ladies and gentlemen, back at it again for another day and another set of trades. And so it's your boy TJ, and I'm going to give you the Friday's recap, the final day of the week. And it was pretty good in its movement, right? So there was a 10 a.m. That came out, and it was for an economic data in the U.S. as well, at 10 a.m. Eastern. But before then, everything was pretty free-flowing. I was able to be done before 9:45 a.m. today. So today I actually had 3 opportunities that I was able to take advantage of. And they all ended up in a great win. So I'm going to go through each and every one of them, starting with the first one, which was a long. And what I've done and what I've tweaked with my strategy is that if it gets to within 3 or 2 ticks, between 1 to 3 ticks of my TP, and it starts to reverse, then I'm going to take half. So that's essentially what happened in this case. It got to, I think, within 1 tick of my TP or 2 ticks, and then it reversed and bumped me out for $100. Check it out. And then I went in on a short, and I was able to make the full $200. Take a look. And then finally, I was able to go in. This was really a back-to-back move. I was able to go in on another short, and it also ended up with the same $200 gain. Take a look. And then here's my balance. Really finished well this week. You know, it's not always how you start, it's how you finish. But this is how it works. This is what happens, right? Monday was a rough day. Tuesday was break even. Wednesday was a rough day. So I had loss, break even, loss. And then my last 2 days were good, right? And so this is how it works, is understanding that on the days your strategy doesn't work, you weather the storm. On the days that it works, then you make your money. And so you have to be able to have good risk management. When you have good risk management, then it enables you to be able to sustain your account, so that when you start to go on days where your strategy is actually working with the market, then you're able to make the money. This is actually how trading works, okay? But in order to really understand how to get there and how to trade and how to hone the skill, you don't want to put your actual money at risk until you know what you're doing. So with prop firms, you're paying a very small fraction of what you normally would be paying if you had a live account. You're paying a very small fraction in order to make 5, 10, 20 times what you put in. This is the power of prop firms. Apex, TPT, link in the description, comment below, on the screen. Get it, get into this, build a business, build your skill, and you will be able to have a great career in this, right? So there is a way, there is a path, this is it. Try, and you'll be glad you did. So until next week, have a great weekend, take care, God bless.